Now let's consider an example of hexane. When we talk about hexane, hexane belongs to family of alkane. Hex stands for 6 carbon atoms and ane stands for it belongs to family of alkanes. So hex means 6 carbon atoms. Let's draw the structure for hex. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. See 6 carbon atoms. Since it's an alkane, it will always have carbon-carbon single bond. And remaining valencies of carbon we will satisfy with hydrogens. So we know that carbon can form 4 covalent bonds. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This carbon has already formed 2 covalent bonds. So remaining 2 we will put here. Similarly for the next carbon, next carbon, next carbon. And the last carbon, it has already formed 1 covalent bond. So we need to fill the valencies by 3 hydrogens. So this is the structure for hexane and we call this structure as line bond structure. So in order to write this structure in a very convenient form, we can use either condensed form or skeletal structure. So what I will do, I will show you both the forms, how to represent the same hexane molecule in condensed form first. In condensed form, instead of showing the line bond, we just write there are 3 hydrogens. So we write 3 here. Now if you see next carbon atom, which is attached to 2 hydrogens. So we write 2. The third carbon atom is attached to 2 hydrogens. So we write 2 hydrogens. The fourth one is attached to 2 hydrogen atoms. So we write 2 hydrogen atoms. Similarly, fifth one, 2 hydrogen atoms. And the last one is attached to 3 hydrogen atoms. So we write. So in condensed form, instead of showing the line bond, we just write the hydrogen atom in a condensed form. Like instead of showing these 3, we write it as 3. Or instead of showing these 2, we write it as 2. So this is the condensed structure for hexane. Now we can simplify this structure further by using skeletal structure. So in skeletal structure, what we do, each dot represents a carbon and we don't show the hydrogen here. So what we do, we write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we are showing 6 carbon atoms, and in skeletal structure we assume that the valencies of carbon is satisfied by hydrogens. So this is the skeletal structure for hexane, and whenever we write skeletal structure we always use zigzag manner